Hey everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over a pretty quick and easy lesson, but one that's fairly important, and we're going to learn how to change inches into centimeters. So we're going from imperial to metric. It's not too difficult, but you do have to know where to look and where to go. And before we get started real quick, please consider subscribing to the channel. This kind of gives me a good gauge on how the videos are doing. Give a like down below if you find the video helpful. If you think someone else could learn from this video, give it a share. And if you want to see something else done in AutoCAD, leave it in the comment section below. Alright, so here we have a square that's 5 inches by 5 inches, and what we want to do is we want to change the inches over into centimeters. So we want to go from imperial to metric right here, and this is just a very basic example. The first thing we're going to do is you can either come down to the command line, or you can just start typing, but we're going to type in DWG units, and it's going to pull up drawing units, and we're going to left click. Now once it does that, you can come down here and you can bring up this box, but it's going to give you options for drawing units. You can see that 1 is inches, 2 is feet, 3 is millimeters, 4 is centimeters, 5 is decimeters, and 6 is meters. We are going to click number 4 for centimeters. We're going to type in 4, enter. The linear display format is either going to be scientific or decimal. We want that in decimal, so number 2. The linear display format, we just want it as far as the precision goes in a 4. Keep that. Then it's going to ask us to scale the objects from other drawings upon insert. We're going to click yes. Match insert units to drawing units. We want to do that, so yes. Scale objects in current drawing to reflect change in units. We want to do that, yes. And then include objects in paper space. We also want to do that. Now, as you can see here, we changed the size of the actual drawing. If we zoom out right here, it's going to show 1 foot by 1 inch. So the reason it's showing 1 foot by 1 inch is because this kind of messes up AutoCAD a little bit. It's not really smart enough to realize the change you just made. So to make the change you just made, what you're going to want to do is come up to the annotation button right here. You're going to come over here to this little dimension style button, left click, and then we're going to come in here to modify. Now when we modify, we're going to go to primary units right here, and this might be on engineering or something else. We're going to come down here to decimal. We're going to click OK. Actually, and before we get too ahead of ourselves, we're going to come to the precision because I want to make sure it's a little more precise, and we're going to format this to 1 number and then 2 decimal places. So we're going to apply that. Click OK. Click close. And as you can see here now, this is 12.7 centimeters. And just to verify here, 12.7 centimeters on this screen is in fact 5 inches. Now you can do the same thing with feet to meters or yards to meters, however you want to do it. I don't know if yards is actually available on AutoCAD, but you can actually do the same thing with feet to meters or even smaller measurements as well. Alright, so I know this was kind of a quick video. Hopefully you guys are able to follow along. Hopefully this was very helpful. I know that when I first learned this trick, it helped me too. Again, it can be a little bit confusing, especially if stuff gets twisted up. But again, hopefully it was helpful and hopefully you guys learned something. Again, leave a comment in the description if you want to see something else done on AutoCAD, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.